It is a great pleasure to be here and talk about economics. You have all heard of macroeconomics and microeconomics. Today, you will hear about minute economics, or economics in a minute. Economics is about choices. There are lots of interesting topics I could cover, but I have to choose what I want to talk about in today's lecture. Economics is about the optimal allocation of scarce resources. Given the topic I have chosen, I only have 1 minute to convey the main message and communicate the key ideas. Economics is about good times. Great, I still have about 30 seconds left. But economics is also about change and dynamics, and time is running fast. Obviously, change could be for the better, but it can also be for the worse. And economics, so, is also about crisis. What a disaster. I'm out of time. Well, I'm afraid this is it for minute economics. If you're still interested in economics, though, there are a lot of great full-length classes you can take here at Penn. Thank you.